are watching JMC's Corner.
Oh, that's the toy from Santa. Let's see what it is. Let's see.
Look.
So JC got the blast buckle. It's from Miles from Tomorrowland. And it has a lunches flash disc. And the toy is here.
I have no idea what this
There
is.
you go. And Kayla got this amigami. I credo por te. Oh, it sounds like it's come from Spain. We'll open it later. So it has a projector. And this is the turn on, turn off button. So we need to turn off the lights and see the effect. So you can see there in the floor, if it is dark, it's projecting. The lights is projecting on the dark surfaces. So
it's like a signal.
oh, it serves like a signal, isn't it? So this is a good gadget. So you can use this to signal somebody that you are around, JC.
Face that.
Okay, so you have to get this round thing in the top, and then I think you have to.
Tomorrow Science Club.
I think there's already one there. There's already one there.
Tomorrow Science
And then you have to press it. And then it will launch. So you can use it to throw for your opponent. Okay, JC will try it. Ooh.
It's even a signal.
Okay, wait. So like for example, this is our target, JC, the black thing. Alright, come on. You try that one. And try to hit that one. That black thing. One. Okay, Kayla will try it. Very good, Lala. You're very good. You're not the link. Very nice, isn't it? There you go.
Oh, it's a decor. I can decorate my own thing.
Okay.
I'm decorating my dog with some heart eyes.
Okay, so you got a dog there, which is purple, and this one is the
Kennel.
what?
Kennel.
So it's the dog's house, okay? And you got what is this?
Oh,
Some patterns, isn't it?
Yeah, for the house.
For the house. So you can create like flowers or any decorations out of it, and you have this instructions or guide to do it. Okay, let's do it. And then
So right now, I am like making the house now, and I see a little bubble in there. And here, can you see that green bubble? No, I don't know what this green but
so you're going to use that green stick to curl the decorations.
yeah, it's so hard.
So now what you're doing now? So so you made a curl. There.
So
putting the rainbow. So you get the rainbow there in the top of the. Is that what do you call this?
A candle. Yeah.
Panel.
My mom.
So I got the bird's house here. I'll put it here. So I'll put the two grasses here. And we got the mailbox here. And we can put it there. Okay, so we're gonna put the plant here on the side.
Now we know who it is. So if you get confused, we have this sign.
Oh, okay. So here is our cute doggy.
We're not
And
done
here's-
yet. The name is on the top, okay?
All right.
The Doge House.
Dodge house.
Yes.
His name is Dodge.
Doge. Okay.
Hi, Dodge. You look so cute.
Okay.
And you,
Look.
you got the two on your bottom.
Mail.
A picture tattoo.
Look, cause there's pizza up here and pizza down here.
I know. It's what?
It's gonna eat the butthole. Look, see?
Yeah, is it Pac-Man?
Yeah. It's a pallet.
So we got the light here. So put it there on the side. Okay.
Look at this
So
baby.
that's the light.
Okay. Look.
Oh no, a trip over. What you got?
Look at the.
Dun, 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 dun. I love your. Hi, Dutch. I love your house. Can I go in your house? Oh wow! Let us see around. It looks so dark outside. I can't really see the details of your house. Oh, look at that! So colorful. And you got your name on the top of it. Ooh. Do you love your house, Dutch? Do you like it? Oh, great. Oh, the light comes. Now here's the creator. She's very happy. Are you finished with what you're doing? Are you happy? He's so cute.
I
I
just
think
got-
he's settled there. And he likes the house that you made. What else you gonna do? Where's the burger bowl? Oh wow, on the top. I like that.
I like my burger.
So guys, thanks very much for watching. And please subscribe to our channel. See you again next time. Bye. Thanks for watching J&C's Corner. See you again in our next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.